Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 69 named Sqrt of x. In this problem, we are given a non-negative integer x and we have to return the square root of x rounded down to the nearest integer. Now, the returned integer should be non-negative as well. Here, we must not use any of the built-in operator or the built-in exponent functions. Here, in the first example, if the value of x is 4, then a square root of 4 is 2. So we have to return 2. Now here, if the value of x is 8, then the square root of 8 will be 2.82. So the rounded down value of this is 2. So we have to return 2. I hope you understood the algorithm. Pardon, the examples. Now let's move on to the constraint. Here, the constraint are the value of x can be in between 0 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now we can solve this kind of problem by using the binary search algorithm. Here, the algorithm is pretty simple. Suppose we are given the value x is equal to 16. So now, how the binary search algorithm works here? So here, let's take a number line starting from 0 and the final value is, let's say it is 16. And there are value in between as well. Now, we are taking two pointers. One is pointing to the low, which is pointing to the 0, and another is pointing to the high, which is pointing to 16. Now, we have to calculate the mid value of low and high. So the equation will be low plus high minus low plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the mid value which is represented by n. Suppose here the mid value is pointing to these positions, which is 8. Okay. Now we have to calculate several things. Suppose it can be possible that the value of mid value square, it is greater than our respective value x. So here the value of 8 square will be 64, which is greater than the value x, which is 16. So here, in this kind of cases, we have to search the square root value into the first half, into this half. So here, we have to shift our high pointer to the mid minus 1. So it is one case. Now, it can be possible that the value of m square is less than or is equal to x. If it is, that means we have to search the corresponding square root into the next half here. So here, the low will be mid. Now, by repetitively dividing or by repetitively applying the binary search algorithm, we will find that our low pointer will be raised into such position such that those value is the square root of the given x. After that, we have to return the value of the row pointer. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now, the overall time complexity of this algorithm is big O of n log n, because we are applying binary search, and the overall space complexity of this problem is big O of 1, because we are using only constant extra spaces to solve this problem. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named mySqrt, which is a parameter x. Now we are taking two variables, low and high. Now we are repetitively checking where low is less than high. Now here we are calculating the mid value. And if the mid square is greater than x, we have to shift our high pointer to mid minus 1. Otherwise, we have to shift our low pointer to mid. Finally, we have to return mid low. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.